guys, and welcome to the vlog where I go to the Surajkund festival. So we are in the 31st Surajkund Mela, which is held in near Delhi in Surajkund, and guess what? There's free Wi-Fi. Can you? Yeah, over there. There's free Wi-Fi, guys. What? I'm gonna test that out, and 100 rupees per ticket. By the way, we came by car, so that's about the commuting information that you need. It is an international festival this year, so let's see what's in store. I've got a fracture here, over here on this part of my hand. Slipped in the Mumbai hotel day before yesterday. Yeah, look at that big Ferris wheel. So pretty. Johar Jharkhand. Jharkhand is the focus state for this year, and let's find out what it has to offer. By the way, did you know Surajkund Mela is the biggest art and craft mela in the world? In the world, people. I love this lipstick though. Yeah, I have to get my hair cut, so that's why my hair looks so frizzy, because I've not put any product in it as such. My mother, by the way, is also a vlogger for today, and we are literally all three of us just filming separately, not being with each other, and we're like, what? There she is. So yeah. And my brother has brother's like, please come and take a picture. We all are just vlogging. Scary, guys, and it even says Dadi Ka Ashirwad. Thank you, Dadi. By the way, this is the world's biggest hookah. There's a lot of hookah going on here, isn't it? Look at this. Who even uses this? Sarso, no, what is it? She's making makki ki roti by blowing air into that, so that the these things, the upla, heats up more. Oh, it says Sagar Bartan Bakhore. This is so good. They've done it so well this year. Look at them. These are the designs. So cool. Furniture pieces, amazing. Look at it, how beautiful does it look, and how like colonial it looks, and oh my god, I'm just dying. And look at this one, there's like this tiny one, how beautiful. Look at these mirror frames, they're all made of like marble and stuff. Look at that, that looks like a little cloud. Can you believe it? All these beautiful furniture pieces are placed on a hill, like they don't care at all. They've put stones over here, like how we put chalks on an aircraft so that they don't slip down, but I don't think that's very, I mean, come on, they have a lot of confidence on this hill that these things won't go down. But I love. We've reached the international pavilions. There's Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Tunisia. Let's see what else we find out. I'm super excited for the food. I don't know, I'm always excited about the food because there's no beauty products, so the next best thing is food. Oh, Armenia, which seems to have, they're wrapping up, I believe. Ooh, Sri Lanka. There are SAARC nations that take part in this. So the international ones are SAARC nations. Guys, these are olive wood products. Look at how raw that looks. Look at this, you could put flowers in here or fruits or something. How beautiful is that? Wow, looks like it just came out of like the dinosaur era or something. How beautiful. No touch, by the way. No touch. So this one is made by Haryana prisoners. So these are products made by the inmates, and look at this, that beautiful painting over there. Such beautiful stuff. So impressive. But sadly things are closing down, so make sure you have lots of time on hand. Wow. Eating area and seating area up a hill. We have so many empty seats because we came so late. Last year when we came, there were no seats available, because of which we got our own portable seat that we got from Decathlon today. Sadly, won't be able to use it. There's Domino's available as well. Oh, there's Nestle products, so you're gonna get Maggie and stuff. That's cool. Look at that beautiful decor, guys. So pretty. My mom is vlogging still. The Rajasthani thali, it has 10 things in it. Dal, bati, churma, everything. There's a sabzi and then there's this roti. Lovely. My mom is vlogging today and I feel like I'm stealing all the information that she's sharing, because I used to vlog and she used to educate me and you together, but now she's educating in her vlog. So, I mean, anyway, let's begin. Hey guys, so the dinner scenes are going so well. The Rajasthani thali was so good. We got a pyaz kachori then, which came with a jalebi that he gave for us to eat, which was so crunchy. Then we got some, what is this called? These are pakode. Moong dal mangodi. It's basically pakode. That are so crunchy. I wish you could feel this. Oh my gosh. It's just like KFC. Almost feel like that. So good. My brother just had his first bite. So good, right? By the way, the person over there is selling it so well. We need to go to the Rajasthani corner or Rajasthani area. This moong dal halwa is to die for. All of this is so Indian and I just, oh my god. You have to forget about the calories, come on. Oh my god, I forgot to have this. This is apparently grass that is grown in Rajasthan and they make a pickle out of it. Yummy. This is red chili pickle, which tastes just like the pickle red chili paste that they use in Korean food. This is really good. So we were eating our Rajasthani thali, nice and sweet, and then we had our bags right next to us, right? So these 2-3 police men came and we were like, what happened? Like something wrong? What's gonna happen? So I thought they came to check out the food, to be honest. But they said to keep our bags like with us and just have one hand, like have one of the strap on us, because someone can come and steal it. And I thought that was so nice of them, so caring. And now everyone is eating. Everyone that is the host is eating, and the policemen have really helped a lot, and they're keeping a check right now in the pavilion. So safety security is really good. There are fire extinguishers, fire truck and everything, so everything's covered safety wise. So the bathroom looks like. There are lots of stalls over there. It's a very good arrangement. The water that's in here is warm, which is so cool. These tigers and all looks even more real at night, but now everything is closing. You can only see the security personnel now because they're just cross-checking in the end, I believe. It ends at 8:30 p.m. and you can learn all about the countries or whatever, everything on the website of Haryana Tourism. There are lots of cashless things available here, so if you want to pay by card, you can do that. Otherwise, ATMs are also available, so you can even withdraw money here and there are no lines. We came at night, maybe that's why, but still, ATM is available. Water is available, free of cost, which is so cool. Washroom facility is really cool. Well, the water is hot, that's good. The band is back on. These are the real ones, these are the bigger ones, and a charpai on which we sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to thumbs it up. I've made other videos of my travel experiences in Delhi, outside Delhi. You can watch this playlist that I've made of cool places to eat in Delhi. I'll link everything in the bottom bar below. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell button so that you are notified whenever videos are there, because I don't have a specific schedule. I'm not that consistent on this channel. I'm trying my best to be consistent. But then if you want to, you can definitely click that. But make sure to click that bell button so you are notified whenever I upload. That's my family. This is me signing off. Bye bye.